Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 5.6, question number 18. Area of the greatest rectangle inscribed in the ellipse is. Here directly you can write the answer is 2AB. Here A and B is a semi, major and minor axis respectively. So as a area of the greatest rectangle means that major and minor axis must be a diagonal of the rectangle here. Then question number 19. An ellipse has OB as semi minor axis, that is B, and F dash its foci, and the angle FB F dash is a right angle. Then the eccentricity. Here look at this question number 19. This ellipse, the coordinate axis, this is a F dash foci, and this F. B is point on the ellipse as well as in y axis, that is 0 B, and we know that focus is F dash for focus F dash is minus AE 0 and F is AE 0. Now distance between focus, that is F dash F is 2AE. Now we will do F dash F the whole square is 2AE the square is equal to, because here the line joining F dash to B and F2, F dash to B and F to B is right angle at B. So from that we can do 2AE whole square is 4AE 4A squared A squared is here, because it's a right angle, so sum of the squares of that is BF squared plus BF squared is, here BF square is AE minus 0 the square, for y axis is B minus 0 the square, plus for BF dash is 0 plus AE the square plus B minus 0 the square. So we will simplify this. 4 AE square A square E square is A square E square plus B square plus A square E square plus B square. So which is equal 4A squared E square equal 2 A squared E squared plus 2B square. Here this collecting one side, it is 2A square E square equal 2B square, 2 and 2 cut. Here A square E square is B square. A square E square equal to B square we got. Now further continuing. Now we know that b square equal a square into 1 minus e square for the ellipse, that will be 1. Now substitute, therefore you can see b square equal a square into 1 is a square minus a square e square. Already a square is b square a square minus a square e square is b square, therefore which gives 2b square equal to a square. Therefore you can write from 1 b square equals a square, that is b square equal, for a square you can write a square is 2b squared 1 minus a squared, then b square and b squared cut, it becomes, therefore which gives 1 minus e square equal 1 by 2. There further 1 minus half equal e squared, which is equal square root of 1 minus half is half, which is 1 over root 2. So eccentricity we got, it's 1 over question number 19 is 1 over root 2, option 1. Question number 20, the eccentricity of the ellipse x square minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal y squared over 9 is 1 over 3. Here this shifting the origin comes, because this is, it's not in the origin is not at 0 0, so it is shifted to minus 3 and minus 4 like. So it is, we can have the answer is 1 over 3. Eccentricity is 1 over 3. Now question number 21. Here we will do question number 21 now. If two tangents drawn from a point P to the parabola y square equal to 4x are at right angles, then the locus of point P. Here the two tangents are drawn from point P to the parabola y square equal 4x are at right angles, then the locus of P is, here 4a equal to 4, because y square equal to 4x, therefore a equal to 1. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus 1. Therefore the locus of the point P is x equal to minus 1, because the point moves on the directrix here. Therefore we have option 2. Now question number 22. The circle passing through 1 comma minus 2 and touching the axis of x at 3 comma 0 passing through the point. So here 22. The equation is x minus 3 because it's passing through x-axis and y as in point K equal to 3 square. Look at this. Here the circle passing through 1 and minus 2 and touching the circle at x equal to 3 comma 0 passing through the point. So x minus 3 and y minus k equal to, this passes through the given point 1 comma minus 2. Let us substitute here x as 1 minus 3 the square plus minus 2 is the y equal to 9. Here 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square is 4 and minus 2 minus k whole square is 2 plus k whole square equal to 9. Then 2 plus k equal 9 minus 4 the square root, that is root 5. Therefore k we have root 5 minus 2, and therefore the equation of the circle, it becomes like x minus 3 the square of y minus root 5 plus 2, because minus of minus 5 minus 2 is minus 5 plus root 2 the square equal to 9. Let us so we have to find the points 5 and minus, we have to minus 9, then you can write since 5 minus 3 the square plus y is minus 2 minus 2 then minus 2 minus root 5 the square then plus 2 equal to 9. Since 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4 and minus 2 minus root 5 plus is 9 here, then you can say 5 minus 3 is 2 square plus of minus root 5 the square equal 9, since 4 plus 5 is 9, since 2 square is 4 and root 5 whole square is 9, therefore the choice point is 5 and minus 2 satisfy this equation, because we have 5 and minus 2 satisfy this equation, so it passes through, therefore it passes through of 5 minus 2. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.